Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Do you like green drinks? Fantastic. Today we're going to make a Japanese slipper. The Japanese slipper was invented in Ireland by an Irishman in Portmarnock, North County Dublin, which is of course the Sydney, Australia of Ireland. It has held such events as the 2017 Celebrity Relay Race. Here's a photograph of myself and Hugh Jackman running on the beach. I won that race. He was very graceful about it. What a nice guy. The origin of the story goes that there was a man by the name of Rudiger O'Reilly O'Shea O'Brien who had an argument with his grandmother. Little known fact about Irish grandmothers, they are extremely violent, and while you may see them in public being all sweet, asking you to take high items off shelves and asking the lotto numbers and commenting on wonderful cardigans, let it be known that in the comfort of their own home they are extremely violent. I myself have been a victim to a slippering on occasion. For those of you who do not know what a slippering is, that is the act of your grandmother removing her slipper and beating the living shit out of you with it. Alas, Rudiger did have a fight with his grandmother, and she had just got a pair of new slippers from Japan, you see. And upon Rudiger giving back cheek and back talking, she removed her slipper and gave Rudiger the beatdown. In an outraged, depressed sense of feeling, Rudiger decided to rebel, and he opened his grandmother's liquor cabinet. Now, also a fact, every Irish grandmother has a liquor cabinet which we are warned do not touch. Alas, the ingredients which Rudiger had were the following, and so was created the Japanese slipper. This is how it's made. It is 1 shot of Midori, which is a Japanese melon liqueur. One shot of fresh lemon juice. And 1 shot of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. It is served in a glass with no ice, so I have this glass chilling, so I'm going to use the ice for the shake. And shake this until it's freezing cold. There's a strainer built into this cobbler, so I can just pour it straight out. It's traditionally garnished with a maraschino cherry, but I'm not Celine Dion. I don't have a bunch of maraschino cherries lying around. I just use what I have. This is the Japanese slipper. That's the best drink I've ever had in my life. If you ever struggle to get these items and you wish to make a drink like this, I acquired most of the things on this bar from the Celtic whiskey store in Dublin city centre. I will leave a link in the description. Guys in there are fantastic help and they pretty much have anything you need, so if you are looking for something for your own home bar, give them a look.